To prepare for winter, squirrels spend a lot of time caching. Caching is a process of storing away food for later retrieval. Squirrels bury their nuts in the ground by digging holes and then cover the holes with leaves, dirt, or grass. They do what is called scatter hoarding. Scatter hoarding is where squirrels will hide food in various places so as not to lose an entire supply. They also do what is called chunking. They organize their nuts very carefully, by quality, variety, and even possibly preference. In an effort to deceive other animals and protect their real food caches, squirrels will pretend to bury food periodically, digging empty holes and covering them up with leaves. Also, they will bury and rebury their nuts frequently, not only to protect their nuts from being stolen by other animals, but to keep a fresh memory of the location of the stored nuts. They are also territorial. Squirrels mark their territory with a scent and may actively defend that territory in direct interaction. They have two main scent marking tools, urine and scent glands near the mouth. They will frequently urinate as they move along travel routes, and they often stop and rub their oral scent glands as well. When squirrels run, they tend to run in quick bursts, then stop and run again. This behavior not only serves as a visual evasion technique for the squirrels, but it also allows them to travel distances pretty efficiently while being on the lookout for both food and predators. Squirrels have sharp claws that make them expert climbers. They usually flee to the trees when danger shows up. They climb down headfirst when the danger has passed. Squirrels communicate in different ways. One way is by tail flagging and flicking. The flicking movement of its tail, seen in snappy, arced movements, is a squirrel's way of showing frustration. This is more of a controlled movement. Tail flagging, on the other hand, is more longer flag-like movements that move in different directions, which can be an indication of predators. When squirrels detect predators, at first they tend to stand still on their hind legs, with hands curled towards the body, making it difficult for the predators to find them. Then, if it is on the ground, it will run to a nearby tree and climb to safety. If it is already in a tree, it will circle the trunk and press up against the bark tightly with its body. Although squirrels store food in different locations throughout their ranges, they do not always remember where they buried it. Unrecovered nuts and seeds give way to germinating trees, which is why squirrels are known to play an important role in growing and maintaining forestry populations. Scatter hoarding has profoundly affected the ecology of squirrels. They have evolved a detailed spatial memory and recover about 40 to 80% of their hundreds of caches. Scattering individual nuts across a landscape means that recovering their food depends more on spatial memory than defending an area.